We're here in McDonald's and we're already
Hi, kamanaso.
Kapon ka.
we
Yari
already order our lunch today. Is the burger because we are
We're
diet,
American. No eating rice.
not eating rice.
Oh my God!
This is our lunch for today.
After Kuya Bullet
Halos common palang damit.
going to his
Halos pares
going
ng
to his
kulay
accommodation by walking. No one can bring him his accommodation. So
I don't have worry because there is in the house.
What?
We're here in McDonald's.
Waiting
And it's
for
only
burger.
for short video. The drinks is too much fast, but the burger is slow. Waiting
Slow
for
cooking.
alis na yun.
the burger is coming.
Let's
Sorry
see.
guys, just only three of us.
Alright, let's eat. McDo.
Gusto nila ano lang, take out.
You want fries?
Saan ba yung labasan dito?
Ito kuya.
And burger.
Uy, sana all.
Sana
all.
Ngayon mag-drinks po tayo muna pansamantala. Kain na lang muna.
Ayan na.
And fries. Yung drinks yun, yung drinks.